Okay guys, the thing is now complete and everything seems to be running well, and as you can see this is the two display cables plus that other two is for the antenna cables. So as you can see it's pretty good and everything is fine too. Alright, let me show you from up here. This is the this chipset actually is controlling this display, like it controls the this displays. This screen is actually from one of my old computer. I was about to throw away and then I just extracted the screen from it, and then it's actually working so well. So you never need to throw away your old screen, it's actually useful. And this is the main display. As you can see the computer is running completely well and everything seems to be good. As you can see I'm playing a GTA right now and things, so well so that's it. And again I actually I'm not a computer student, or I'm not even doing anything related to computer, but I just like exploring stuff. So if you guys like this video, at least give it a like or maybe share it, subscribe. I will still have a lot of things to share. Yeah, a lot of stuff that I'm doing by myself, so I will be sharing a lot of things on this channel. So just if I did something wrong, just maybe just put, yeah, I will see it in the comment. I know, of course, all the things are all things not so, maybe if it's not so straightforward, then you guys can tell me in the description or maybe in the comment section down. So that's it guys, then I'll be